Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will give you an update of my Gapi farm. It's early morning, and as you will see, there is a rain here in my place. This rain is because of coming typhoon. That's why there's a heavy rain. This heavy rain, it is because of the typhoon. The typhoon will not hit my place, but because of the typhoon, we are experiencing here heavy rain. Those breeding tank have overflow holes, so I don't need to worry about this breeding tank, because the water level will not reach the top of this breeding tank. If the water level reaches the top of the breeding tank, there is a tendency that the mollies will jump out of those breeding tanks. My only concern here are these breeding tank. These are Gapi breeding tank, and I was not able to put overflow hole in this breeding tank. So hopefully the guppies in this breeding tank will not jump out of their breeding tank, and hopefully they will stay in this breeding tank. Based in my experience, guppies are not jumping out of their breeding tank if the water reaches the top level. But if the water flow is much faster, there is a chance that the Gapi will go with the flow of the water. So there's also a chance that the Gapi will go outside of this breeding tank. I just set up this Gapi breeding tank yesterday, and I was thinking to put overflow holes in this breeding tank, but I forgot. I just remember when I woke up this morning. So let us just hope that the guppies will not go outside this breeding tank. Okay, because I noticed that one of the breeding tank is almost full with water. Here you will see that the water is flowing fast, okay, from the top of the tree going down. There you will see it's flowing water, and it is dripping into my Gapi breeding tank. This kind of rain probably will last for 3 to 5 days, or if the typhoon will be out of the area. Here you will see that the water is dripping directly in this breeding tub of my Gapi. Same here in the other side, and the water also directly drips on this breeding tank that I have here. You will see here the water is dripping from the tree going down into my Gapi breeding tank. So those two tanks are my Gapi breeding tank. Here you will see that the water is almost full, so I was not able to put drain holes in this small breeding tank of my guppies. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you will like this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button for you to get notified for my new video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.